Alright guys, I think we are live now and ready for today's webinar, today's learning. Today we are going to learn about the Excel strategy and how to use the Excel strategy in both fixed time as well as forex trading. Guys, Excel strategy is one of the easiest strategies on the platform and it will give you a lot of trading entries. So let's get ready to learn the Excel strategy today. And I would like to welcome you all at OLYMP TRADE's today's webinar where we are going to learn about the Excel strategy. Let us wait for the other fellow traders to join. Until then, guys, please make sure that you subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you like the video, share the video, and make sure that you click the bell icon while subscribing the channel so that you do not miss any updates of the channel. Okay, so let us wait for a few minutes for the other fellow traders to join. Guys, one small request that please mention your status, your account status in the live chat, whether it is expert, advanced or starter. Alright, so 35 people have already joined. Let us wait for a few more minutes. Guys, please mention your status in the live chat, your account status in the live chat, whether it is advanced, expert or starter. Hi Rahul, good evening. Hi Sabir, good evening. Good to see you again on the webinar. Let us wait for a few more minutes, guys, for the other traders to join. Karthikeyan, hey, good evening. Starter, good evening, Dave. Okay, so guys, in today's webinar, we are going to learn about the Excel strategy and how to use the Excel strategy in particularly fixed time trading, and also we can use it in the forex, but mostly you will see good entries in the fixed time trading mode on a shorter duration time frame. Okay, so I think most of us have been joined now, and let us begin with today's trading strategy, Excel strategy. So to apply the Excel strategy, what you will need to do is go in the trading strategy section. In the trading strategies, you will find the Excel strategy in the advanced strategy section. So guys, if you are having the starter status on the platform, the Excel strategy will not be available to you. You will have to apply the strategy manually. So let's click on enable. Once we click on enable, we'll see that the strategy will be applied. It is very simple to use. You just have to make sure that you keep an eye on the 100 level here. You can see this is the 100 level. So whenever the signal line, which is the yellow line, orange line, whenever the orange line will cross the 100 level, whether in the upward direction or in the downward direction, at that point we will make a trade. Okay, so in basic dollar index we can see that the 100 level was crossed at this point. So at this point we could have entered into an upside trade. Sorry guys. Okay, so at this point we could have entered into an upside trade, but we missed this entry. Let's see if the orange line will cross the 100 level from above in the downward direction, then we can enter into a downward direction trade. So it is very simple, guys. You just have to look for the 100 level, and also you have to understand the Japanese candlestick price action at that particular point of time. We have to see what the candlestick is suggesting, and whether if there is a support zone or demand zone or resistance area or supply zone at that point. Now, what is the meaning of support and resistance, guys? Support is basically a level in the market where the demand is very high, where the buyers are very active, which means that most likely the price will go up from that level. That is support. And just opposite to it is the resistance level, the supply zone, where the supply is very high, where the sellers are very much active. Almost they are always ready to take the price in the downward direction from that point. So those are psychological barriers in the market. If you want to learn more about such technical analysis things, then if you are having the advanced or expert status on the platform, you can contact the support department and you can have one-on-one session with the OLYMP TRADE expert. They will be teaching you those things in the meeting itself. So let us try to find some entries using the Excel strategy, guys, one by one. Let's look at all the assets and see if whether we find an entry. Okay, we don't have an entry here. Here we can see in Bitcoin, the signal line is crossing the 100 momentum in the upward direction at this point. So I think we can enter into an upside trade here. However, the candlesticks are suggesting the opposite. So for example, here we can see that there is a red engulfing candle which has engulfed the previous two green candles. Also, the candles are getting rejection from the upside. So before entering the trade, you have to make sure that you read the candlesticks also. But anyhow, we have made a trade here in the upward direction for 3 minutes when the signal line of the momentum indicator crossed the 100 mark. Okay, guys, this is the second trade of the day. First trade we made on basic dollar index and we won that trade. Guys, is it clear? Is the strategy clear? It is very simple to use. Just you have to look at the 100 level of the momentum indicator. Guys, are you able to see my screen now? I'm very sorry, something happened with my system. I hope that my screen is again visible to you. Guys, please mention in the live chat if you are able to see my screen, if you are able to hear me properly. So this was the second trade of the day and right now we are winning the trade. Alright, thank you. So guys, I hope that the strategy is clear to you. We just have to keep an eye for the 100 level in the momentum indicator, and whenever the signal line, which is the orange line, it is intersecting the 100 mark in the upward direction or in the downward direction, that will be a signal to make the trade. Alright, Rahul, thank you so much for the confirmation. So we have won this trade as well. Now let us try to find some other entries. In the Asia Composite Index, we can see that the orange line is trying to cross the 100 mark in the downward direction. However, still it has not crossed properly. So we'll come back again. Let's move forward. In the Commodity Composite Index, again, it is trying to intersect the 100 mark in the upward direction. So in Euro USD, the 100 level is very far away, so it is not even showing on the chart. No worries. You will try to find in other assets. In AUD USD, I think that we might have a downside entry, potential downward entry here. Let's wait for this candle to close and see if the momentum indicator it is intersecting the 100 mark. Great, Rahul. Thank you so much. Okay, we can see a potential downward trade here for 3 minutes. So this is the third trade of the day. Also, guys, we found an entry in Asia Composite Index also for 3 minutes in the downward direction. Indian Lanzaro, I'm very sorry about whatever happened with your account. Guys, this is a lesson for all of you. Do not share your ID, password, account, login credentials with anyone else, or else you can also be scammed by the scammers. I'm very sorry about your loss. Okay, guys, in USD against the Canadian dollar, USD CAD also we have an upward trade opportunity. So 3 trades are going on right now. Out of these 3 trades, 2 trades are showing in our favor. Let us wait for these trades to complete. Guys, if you are able to find any entry on the chart using the Excel strategy, please feel free to use the live chat to share your trade entry, and we will study that entry and we'll see if it is a potential trade. Yes, you will only have to look for the yellow line and the candlestick pattern. That's it. The strategy is that simple. I'm Baku. I'm very sorry about the inconvenience which you have faced. I would suggest you please contact the support department. I'm sure they will be helping you out in this case. Okay, so the AUD USD trade we have comfortably won. I think we will win this one. In the USD CAD also, I think we have a strong position. However, in the Asia Composite Index, the trade has gone against us. So in order to recover this lost $50, I will now increase the amount to 80 or to 100 maybe to recover this lost $50. Guys, it is very easy to earn profits from trading, but you have to make sure that you are disciplined enough, because it is easy to earn profit, but it is very difficult to hold on to your profits. So you should be very disciplined. You should make proper rules and regulations for yourself and follow those rules and regulations. I know that you all are capable of earning good profits from trading. You all have that capability of being a full-time trader and achieving your dream of having the financial freedom through trading. And you can achieve it. Just make sure that you are not your own biggest enemy. Yes, M. Baku, please call the support helpline number. It would be better to have a discussion on phone rather than chat. I'm sure they will be helping you out, because OLYMP TRADE support department is very dedicated. They are always ready to help. Please share your problem with the support department. Right now we are not able to find any entry. Parabolic. Yes, Rahul, we will discuss about parabolic. First, let us try to make one more trade because we need to recover the lost $50. Okay, guys, we can see that in Euro USD, this is a support area, and if this green candle will engulf the red candle, then I will enter into an upside trade. Or if the next candle will break the high of the previous red candle, then also I will like to enter into an upward trade. Let us wait for this trade to close. Yeah, horizon strategy is also very easy. I believe that Heiken-Nishi candles are used in the horizon strategy. You will find a lot of entries. There is an entry on gold. All right, let us see. Yeah, there is a downward entry in gold. The momentum indicator, it has indicated a trade in the downward position. So let us try to make a trade in gold in the downward direction. The candlesticks are, however, giving mixed signals, but let us go for the trade. A downward trade in gold for 3 minutes. Baku, please try again. I am sure that the hotline, that the support helpline is working. Maybe please try with a different mobile number. In Bitcoin also we have an entry again in the downward direction. I am taking the trade. So 2 trades are active in gold and in Bitcoin. Yes, I am from India. In cricket 23 index, guys, we can see that this is clearly a level of resistance. I am going for a quick trade for 15 seconds in the downward directions. You can use the quick trading mode to quickly identify the trading opportunities if you are able to find some. Okay, so we won this trade. We already recovered the previously lost $50. We won the Bitcoin trade as well. So out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, we have only lost 1 trade, and the second one is going in gold right now, which was suggested by Say Adikwa. Okay, I remember you. How have you been, sir? How have you been, Mr. Adikwa? How is your trading going for you? It is good to see you in the webinar. Baku, please email the support department. They will give you a call. Don't worry. Let us wait for this gold trade to close. Then we will make the next trade. Right now we are having very good results. We have almost earned 127, 32, 160, 200, almost $300, close to $300. This trade is not going in our favor. Gold, no worries. Now we will increase the trade in the next amount. Hi Manzoor Ahmed, welcome. Basic dollar index is showing a very good trading opportunity in the downward direction. I'm entering a downward trade for 7 minutes here. Okay, we have a gravestone doji candle here, gravestone doji, also 3 red candles consecutively. So this seems to be a very good opportunity, guys. You can increase the duration here. So I'm increasing the duration also here. 2 trades I have entered. I have a few risk-free trades as well. Also, if we see that there is a resistance at this point. Last time also the price it reversed exactly from these levels. So two trades in basic dollar index, the duration is 15 minutes and 7 minutes. Basic dollar index, guys. Let us wait for these trades to close. Meanwhile, I would appreciate if you suggest me some trades in the live chart. Euro against Australian dollar. Okay, let's see. Euro AUD, we can clearly see that it is in a downtrend. The price, it is trying to intersect the momentum, 100 momentum level here, but it is not able to. I don't think that we have any potential entry here. Maybe we can go for a 1 minute trade here in the downward direction. Okay, guys. So two trades we placed in the euro against Australian dollar asset because we were able to find these two tweezers here, both with the upside rejections. First one was a green one, then a red one, and if we win these two trades, our previous situation will now be very good. This $100 loss will be recovered along with good profit. However, the trades in basic dollar index, they are still, I'm not sure what might happen there, but right now the situation is very good. Alphabet, yes, you can have the personal coaching, but for that you will have to achieve the expert or the advanced status on the platform. So guys, now the situation, we have almost earned almost $600. Let us wait for these two trades to close as well. Meanwhile, now guys, I would appreciate if you have something to share in the live chat. If you want to ask something, please feel free. So price action is always superior. You are able to find a gravestone doji candle here. Let us wait patiently on this one. Meanwhile, guys, I would appreciate if you guys have something to share, some trading entry like Mr. Rahul, he shared about euro against the Australian dollar, and it gave us $480 profit. Very good, Mr. Rahul. Guys, is anyone of you trading live with me here? Anyone of you trading live with me, making the trades live with me? Please mention in the live chat if you are trading live with me, if you are copying my trades right now. Because I would like to tell you that there will be a lag, a delay of 3 to 4 minutes. Uday Krishna, there will be a delay of 3 to 4 minutes. Sorry, 3 to 4 seconds. A delay of 3 to 4 seconds between what I'm trying to say and what is being delivered through the webinar. Let us see what is the current situation as of now. We started with the basic index dollar trade. So 1 in negative, 2 in negative. Only 2 trades we have lost as of now. Rest we have won every trade. and the situation is profitable. We have earned good profits. 480 minus 100, 380, 380 plus 170, 550, 590, 630, 720, almost $800 profit. So, all right, Saifuddin. So, please be aware that there is a delay of 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, please just keep this thing in mind. Also, if you are copying my trades, the risk will be there. Okay, my risk management is of different type. Even if I lose these trades, I will be able to recover. So please make sure that you are doing it on your own risk, and do not invest more than 2 to 4% of your total capital. No name. See, longer the duration of your trades, more certainty will be there for it to go in your favor. As simple as that. So we are now very close to earning almost $1,000 in this session. $1,000, guys. Only two trades went against us. One was gold asset and the other one was Asia Composite Index, and the basic dollar index trade is live. Still 8 minutes are left. I think that basic dollar index trade, it is going against us, but still there is time left. Guys, are you able to find any entry, any live entry? Please feel free to mention in the live chat. Right now, one trade is going live in the basic dollar index. Risk-free trades. Basically, the risk-free trades are, as the name suggests, they are risk-free. Let me show you with the help of a live example. See, I'm going for a quick trade to explain the risk-free. Let's go for 5-second trades. Okay, if I activate the risk-free trade, I made a trade for $50 in the downward direction. So if I win this risk-free trade, so I will get the profit. However, if I lose this trade, I will not be suffering any loss. The amount, it will be returned back to my amount. See, it went standoff. Let's again try. Let's go for $5 risk-free trade in the upward direction. So I made a trade here. Okay, I won this one. Let's try again. Again I won the trade. Let's try once more. So it is also going in our favor, I think. Yeah. So if we will lose this trade, if we lose any of these trades, then I will not be suffering the loss. The amount, it will be returned back to my trading capital. Luckily we are winning all the trades here. Okay, we lost this one. So as you can see, when we lost a trade, so there was no loss. This is how a risk-free trade works. Is it clear? AUD USD also. Okay, let's check AUD USD. Guys, it is still loading. Still loading. Let me try again. Guys, I'll restart the platform. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, it's working now. AUD USD. Okay, let's check. No, I don't think we have any entry here. However, let's keep an eye on the basic dollar index as the trade is about to conclude. Saifuddin, yes, it is easy to earn profits using the risk-free trades, but you only are awarded the risk-free trades through the traders way, or you can purchase them. So it is a very good tool. Yes, they can be used to earn profits. Hello, Manzoor Ahmed. No name, I really appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much. I wish that you continue to attend these sessions. Saifuddin, for beginners, I would suggest that keep your trade amount low. Do not fall in the uh, psychology trap, and try to be very disciplined. Have your daily targets and initially try to trade more on the demo account. Okay, the basic dollar index, I don't think it is going in our favor. So let's try. Okay, guys, see, now it is a very tough decision. Either what we can do is we can try to recover this $300 loss, or either we should accept this loss. Now, guys, I would like to know your opinion here. What do you think? Whether we should try to recover this $300 or whether we should accept this loss and move on? What do you think? What should be done here? Whether we should try to recover or whether we should accept this loss? Yeah. Ideally, we should accept this loss and move on. Ideally, that should be done. This loss should be accepted. If we try to recover, it might happen that we lose that trade also and we lose everything. I will try to do some quick trading now. Okay, one risk-free trade in the downward direction, Asia Composite Index. Exactly. While recovering, we may lose the trades and it might lead to a big loss. Very good. Uchai, Joshi, and no name. Very good. This should be your mentality. You should be accepting your loss after a good trading session. We had a very good trading session. Even if one trade is not going in our favor, we should accept that and move on. We'll try tomorrow again. Okay. So this is what your mentality should be. You should never try to recover it. If you try to recover it, it might lead to a bigger loss. So we had a very good trading session. We earned almost uh, $800. Was good. Saifuddin, you have to earn the risk-free trades. You will earn them in the trader's way, or you can purchase it in the marketplace. Or if you already have the risk-free trades, you will find it somewhere around here. Okay, guys, I hope that you all learned something of value today. I hope that you enjoyed this webinar, and I hope that you will continue to join these webinars because it gives me motivation to bring new webinars for you every week. If you join with this enthusiasm, if you appreciate these webinars, if you like, share, comment, subscribe the video, it would be very it will work like a motivation for me, guys, and I will continue to bring these webinars for you. You just have to click on the risk free trade and it will be enabled, and then you can place the trade like this. Okay. All right, guys. So we had a very good session. We only lost 4 trades out of the 18 trades. If you have any questions, anything you wish to ask, now is your chance to use the live chat and ask your questions. You are welcome, Rahul. I wish that this strategy helps you to earn some profits. Very easy strategy. You just have to look at the candlestick pattern at that point, what the candlestick is suggesting, and you have to keep an eye for the 100 level in the momentum indicator. That's it. Very easy to use. Also, guys, I would like to announce that on 2nd of June, the NFP data will be released, and I will be doing the NFP trade live with you all, and you will all have a chance to earn big profits with a very small margin of risk. It means that you are not having any risk-free trades with you available right now. Guys, do you have any more questions? All right then. Thank you so much for joining. It was my pleasure conducting this webinar for all of you. You can purchase the risk-free trade in the market. I hope so, because last I checked, it was available, I think. Okay, here you can purchase the risk-free trades. $1 risk-free trade for. So the risk-free trade is available to you in half of the amount. $100 risk-free trade for $50. So the amount of the risk-free trade almost divided by 2, you can purchase. For example, let me purchase a $150 risk-free trade here. Confirm payment. So I purchased this risk-free trade. Now let me try to use it. 150. Okay, let me try one more trade for today, guys. Let us see. Okay, in Asia Composite Index, I think we have an opportunity for a quick downside trade. Okay, I did not win this one, so we lost it. Never mind, no worries. So this is how you can use the risk-free trade and you can purchase them. No name. Okay, let's do one thing, guys. In the next meeting, we will talk about Forex in much more detail. Okay, so I will wait for you guys in the next webinar. So in the next webinar, we will learn about few more things. We learn about some more strategies. We learn about Forex. Yeah, you can watch out for the interest rate decision of the New Zealand bank. Okay, National Bank of New Zealand will be releasing its interest rate decision, I think on 24th or 23rd of May. That you can check. You can find it on the economic calendar, guys. Okay, thank you so much for joining. It was my pleasure to have this webinar with you guys. I will wait for you in the next webinar. Until then, take care, keep trading with discipline, responsibly. I wish you all the very best, guys. See you next week. Bye bye. Enjoy the weekend.